Hi guys, spring is just standing in front of the door. So tell me, which one of my cars do you want to be portrayed in detail? Well, this is my 1976 Dorado convertible, Fire Thorn Red. This is a 74 Oldsmobile 98 Colonial Gold, which I have to admit really looks ugly in the garage, but looks wonderful in the sun. These are not my cars, but these are. And I think I haven't made an in-depth tour of my Mark V, which is a 1979 collector series in diamond blue moondust. This is a 1979 Lincoln Continental town car. And this is my 1976 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, red leather interior. So guys, just tell me which car you like best and which one you want to see in detail. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.